Hello students, welcome in your GK class. Okay, first of all today's date. Today's date is 17/12/20 and today we will do another chapter in GK. This is your GK book. Take out your book, see your book. Okay, and today before discussing the chapters, today I want to discuss with you the syllabus of annual exam. Is it clear? So take out your book and open the content of the book. See, open the content and then I will write the name of the I will write the number of the chapter, this of the chapter, and you will mark it with the pencil. Okay, so I am writing here on the board your annual syllabus. See here from unit 6, chapter 21, 22 and 23. So I will write here like this: chapter 21, 22, 23, then chapter 24, 27, then we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Okay, this much chapter from your main book. After that we have this worksheet. You all have this worksheet at the back of your book. Open that worksheet. Now I will write here worksheet chapters. From worksheet you are having, again open that worksheet, content, that is this part, content. Open that content and I will write here the numbers. Please mark it. Worksheet 11, 12, 13, wait, 11, 12, 13, that means 11 to 21, all. Okay, so worksheet is from 11 to 21. So today we are going to do which chapter? Today we are going to do chapter 24. We have already done chapter 21, 22 and 23. Today we are going to do chapter 27. Open your book, page number 40. Page number 40, that is from the bookshelf. Our topic for the day is from the bookshelf. I am rubbing the syllabus. From the bookshelf. Read on some facts about all-time favorite books given below and answer the questions that follow. So here are the name of some, here are the pictures of some books given and its description is given this side. We will read it and then we will try to find which book is this. Okay. So number 1. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer is a book by Mark Twain about a naughty boy Tom. Which book is its sequel? Now I have to tell the sequel. That is the second part. So the answer is The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Okay. Don't write wrong spelling. Students, please see the board and then write. Second book, Haiti is the story of a little girl staying with her grandfather in the beautiful Swiss mountains. Who is the author of the book? So I have to tell the author. The author is Johanna Spyri. Okay, now the third one. The series authored by Ruskin Bond talks about a boy growing in the valley of Dehradun. It talks about his unusual experiences and encounters. Name the series. Now I have to tell the name of the series. So what is the name of the book? The Adventures of Rusty. Okay, now now question 4. Robinson Crusoe by Daniel Defoe is a story of a sailor and explorer. What was the theme of the book? So the theme of the book was again the adventures of whom? The adventures of Robinson Crusoe. Now, fifth, the series by Enid Blyton consists of 4 young detectives, Julian, Dick, George, Annie, and their dog Timothy. These stories were loved all over the world by children. What was the series called? The series was called Famous Five. Okay, so we have the answers. The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Johanna Spyri, The Adventures of Rusty, The Adventures of Robinson Crusoe, Famous Five. Please don't write wrong spelling. Just copy it correctly from here. Okay. I hope after doing this, now you will open next chapter, that is chapter 27. Okay. Chapter 27. I will rub the board now. Now open chapter 27. Chapter 27. Okay. The chapter name is Literati. Okay. The chapter name is Literati. Now let's solve it. Identify and name these famous figures from the world of literature, taking help from the given clues. Find out any one of their famous works and write under each. That means, see, 2 blanks are given. Like suppose one number is given and there 2 blanks are given. So in the first blank we have to write the name of the author, and in the second blank we have to write some work which he or she has written. Okay, like this we will solve. So let's begin. First one, this picture you can see this picture. This person is who? This person is E.B. White. E.B. White. And the below thing, that is here. In the first blank you will write the name, and in the second blank what you will write? His work, that is Stuart Little. Stuart Little. Okay, Stuart Little. Clear? Now next picture. Next picture is of whom? See this picture, everyone. This picture is of Ruskin Bond. In the previous chapter we have heard, na, Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond. Okay, and in the blank what we will write? The Adventures of Rusty, which we have seen, The Adventures of Rusty. Now third picture is of this lady. You can see the third picture is of a lady. What is the name of the lady? The name is Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton. And now the work, what she has done? Noddy in the Toyland. Noddy in the Toyland. Okay. Now fourth one. What is the fourth one? You can see the picture of this lady. Fourth one, this picture. Can you see? Yes. Now who is she? J.K. Rowling. Okay. And what is her work? Harry Potter. You all have heard the name of Harry Potter, I know. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. This was a big name, so I have drawn two lines. Don't get confused. This is only a single name. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. Okay. Now, fifth one. I think I will rub first one so that I can write here. Fifth one is, you can see the picture of this man. Fifth one. See this one. Who is this person? This person is J.M. Barrie. Okay. And what work he has done? Peter Pan. Okay. Now, sixth one. You can see sixth picture. See, sixth picture. Now, sixth picture is of Roald Dahl. And what work this person has done? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Okay. Now, seventh one. Seventh one, see the picture. This picture, seventh one. See. Now, who is he? He is writing big letters so that you can write it neatly and no spelling mistake. Okay. What work he has done? Chronicles. CHRONICLES. Chronicles of Narnia. Okay. Now, eighth name. What is the eighth and the last one? Now, I am rubbing this side. Eighth one. See the picture of this man. Eighth one. See. Who is he? He is Rudyard Kipling. Okay. And what work he has done? The very famous The Jungle Book. I hope you all have seen the cartoon of Jungle Book Mowgli, right? You might have seen it. That's all for today. We have done 2 chapters, that is chapter 24 and chapter 27. Write all the answers neatly in your book with pencil, okay? And don't do any spelling mistake. If you have any problem, watch the video again and again and then write it correctly and neatly. Is it clear? Now your homework is to learn the previous chapters that we have done. Okay, that is 21, 22, 23, 24 and 27, this chapter. Okay, next day we will meet with some more new adventures. Have a nice day. Keep learning. Bye-bye.